don't get a subvention from government to fix our markets. So it is out of our own source revenue. And I'm sure Councillor Gordon will speak to that.
We are losing $166 million a year because of poor market fee. If we were to cap that over the last 5 years, we would have lost just about $900 million. Think about what that $900 million could have done to regularize and rationalize our market districts.
We want to fix up our markets, but it's going to take some time. But at the same time, within the first 100 days, we have allocated $25 million where we have started to fix up 7 bathrooms. Because we believe that our bathrooms should be in a state where both our vendors and our buyers can use it. And the ones that we have fixed up even have showers in it to make sure that the vendors can have a bath, because some of the time they come from country and want a little bath because they stay overnight.
Every one of us use the market district, but it is unsustainable to continue to lose $166 million per annum for market fees. One of the reality of a caring administration is to ensure equity. And where equity is concerned, it means it must be done equally. Again, persons who use our roadways, litter it, we are coming after you. We must have a clean city. We must have a clean city. Those persons who continue to dispose of their waste in the gullies, we are coming after you because it has environmental impact. But most importantly, I am not here to say who did what or who did not do what. That's not my call. My call is to ensure that under my stewardship and under the leadership of Mayor Angie Swebe, we fix all the anomalies in our budget. When a budget is cast and presented, it is sent to our parent ministry, and more often than not, it comes back late. Because it comes back late, it undermines our spending, because the law says you cannot spend anything unless you have an approved budget. And since my time, we have never received that approval on time. And so it is the very reason why I said, let's do the 23, 24, 24, 25 budget approval so we can continue the work of the KSAMC.